Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change display brightness on Lenovo Legion Go. And to do this, first option is right here in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can click on your Wi-Fi, sound and battery sign. Then there's this sun icon and you'll be able to adjust your brightness using this slider. Next option is to click on the start and here move to the settings. Inside, find the system, display, and there's a display brightness slider as well. You can adjust it like that. And there's also option to click on the arrow next to it. That way we can enable or disable to change brightness automatically when the lighting changes. And you can also switch the change brightness based on the content with off, always on, or on battery only. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.